Without ADDS also we can do, no sir? Yes.
और what? Sites and application? नहीं ADDS चाहिए चाहिए.
हाँ for this sir, network load balance.
Yes, we don't require any ADDS. Basically what happens, I will show you here. See, concept ही बता देता हूँ. I will just for demonstration I am taking it. In real time it can be lots of servers. Okay. So in our demonstration, what we are going to do, we will take one main DC and two server, where my application or websites will be there. Network load balancing means to balance the load of the traffic. There is one website which is deployed in both these servers. Okay. Here www, here also www. For example, मान लो. Okay, let's say this is as main DC. This is my node 1 and here node 2. Okay. Now here let's say this is the IP 192.1.1, correct? This node 1 also will have one IP and node 3 also will have one IP. Now these IPs are management IP. We need to assign one more IP for NLB purpose. For NLB purpose. In server we used to have more than one NIC card. NLB, network load balancing. So we are going to assign one more IP for what purpose? NLB. That means one more network adapter, and in that we are going to assign IP. Okay. Now what will happen? We need to do is we need to install network load balancing in all these servers. All these server. Directly. If it is more than 2, there also you need to assign install. Like for example, now 2 is there, so I have installed NLB there. If it is 3, I have to install one more there in that server also. If it is 4, in another server also we need to install. So it's like that.
In main server, we have no need of IP, sir.
No. In main DC, no need to give any other IPs. It's not required. It's only for the nodes. Now what we have to do is we need to put these servers in a box. That box is known as cluster. Cluster means we are going to keep this everything in a package, in a cluster. And that cluster IP will be there. Let's say 192.168.1.100 for example. This is a cluster IP. Now, as a client or as a customer, we are going to provide this IP to them. Yes. So what happens when this IP is entered? As a first traffic, it will decide where to go. For example, first traffic gone to node 1. And let's say there is a lot of loads of traffic. Then it will move to node 2. So you need to have a high traffic. Then only you can see this change. अभी हम लोग खुद से तो try नहीं कर सकते. So to see that change, what we are going to do, we will make one node down. Then we will see whether my request switched or not to other servers. Okay, ये हमें देखना. So this is the NLB concept, network load balancing.